So when should you make elderberry syrup? And that is kind of a loaded question, so I'm gonna answer it in two parts. The first part is you can do whatever you want. There's a homemade elderberry syrup kit available on our website, andilyns.com. It's very simple to make your own elderberry syrup, and you can do it any day of the year. Now, elderberries come in season. Usually here in Louisiana, they come in June or in July. Depending on where you live, it may be in August or it'll be in September. It's gonna be the same time that blueberries come into season. We like to make our remedies with fresh berries. So you would hand comb the berries into a bucket, mix them with water, press them through a juicer, and then use that juice and mix it with honey. But the best time to make elderberry syrup is when the elderberries are fresh and when they're in season. But again, you can do whatever you want, and you can make elderberry syrup every day.